Hello everyone, my name is Anna Tunstra and this is my project on tourism regulations for sunscreen pollution for Geography 365 Tourism Geographies. My paper primarily focuses on the tourism niche involving coral reefs or on-reef tourism, with the influence of tourist sunscreen usage, which can cause pollution that kills reefs and results in coral bleaching. The best way to comprehend the scale of this issue is to learn how vitally important coral reefs are to our ecosystem. Today, 75% of the world's reefs are threatened. According to the World Resources Institute, by the 2030s, more than 90% of the world's coral reefs will be threatened. These coral reefs are the first line of defense from storms and protect land. The seafood life within creates food security for entire communities of aquatic animals, and they hold 25% of all marine life, according to the World Reef Foundation. My paper then goes in depth explaining the numerous harmful chemicals that are found in most sunscreen brands, and my research found that using mineral-based sunscreens containing zinc oxide and titanium oxide are the more effective biodegradable solution compared to chemical-based formulas, and the biodegradable solution is harmless to marine life and corals, which is a bonus as well. In my conclusion, I mentioned that several countries and U.S. states have taken precautions to deal with sunscreen pollution. Coincidentally, these are also areas of high tourist volume. The Pacific nation of Palau banned 10 chemicals deemed to be harmful to coral reefs. In Mexico, an ecological water park has a voluntary chemical-free sunscreen exchange program, and the government in Key West, in Florida, officially voted in February of 2019 for the prohibition of sunscreens containing oxybenzone and octinoxate. The most notable of the U.S. states to take a stance on sunscreen pollution is Hawaii, who in 2018 passed a law that prohibited the sale and distribution of sunscreen products containing oxybenzone and octinoxate. What few people don't realize, though, is that tourists technically are still allowed to bring any type of sunscreen into the state, which does cause some more problems in as well. Now, currently, the FDA has very few enacted regulations to prevent the further distribution and usage of sunscreens with toxic chemicals. However, they proposed a change of laws in 2021 regarding the generally recognized as safe, aka GRACE status, of several chemicals. The yellow and green shown on the screen are the lowest and the low safe minerals, which are GRACE status according to the FDA. However, the moderate to high section of toxic chemicals is not GRACE status according to the FDA. Finally, this infographic from NOAA is a detailed summary covering the chemicals to avoid, how sunscreen enters our aquatic ecosystems, its effects to marine life, and ways to protect yourself from UV rays, and is a very detailed summary that covers a majority of the points made in my paper. And finally, here are my sources used within this PowerPoint. Thank you.